What's your name?
Evadne.
Okay, good. What's going on with you?
Yes, so me tell you.
Why did you come to NuSpecies?
I come to NuSpecies. I went to the doctor and they told me that I have swelling behind my eyes and I have cholesterol in my left eye. Okay, so as soon as they told me what happened, I said I have to come and see Aston. So I came in and I told her what happened, and you said, okay, I'm going to give you something. And you give me, I think, 3 bottles of stuff. I don't remember the name. You know the name, okay? So I took it and I went back to the doctor. And when I went back to the doctor, she put me on 3 machines. Hi, doctor. And she check and she check and she keep checking, and she said, Miss Bennett, everything is clean. I don't see anything. See in 3 months.
So you think NuSpecies did it?
Oh, what do you? Then who do it? What you think could I do it? I said, I have to come and see Aston today. I'm off today. And I say, I have to come and see you today.
So tell me about this experience.
Yeah, I was in Canada at the hairdressing place. And I went to the bathroom, and while in the bathroom, I see this thing coming out like cobweb, like blood.
Out of your eye?
Blood out of the sick eye. It catch me covered, man. It keep coming out like cobweb. It come like one little something, and then it goes so. In a bungle. Me shut this eye clear, but this one fog and the things keep coming out. I was so scared. And eventually it stopped. The following morning, I saw it again, about 12 o'clock in the day. Little bit more, until I don't see it again. But I said, I don't go to the doctor, the eye doctor, but I said, make me go to find out what really happened. When me go, everything clean. So the product work, because it take out the stuff. Aston me catch me covered. So I say, I have to go look for Aston. I call all of my kids them. And I call them, I say, guess what? Aston thing work. So I say, Aston, I can't believe.
So you had a first-hand view of how the body works. Wasn't that cool?
Yes,
Scary.
It's frightening you, Fanny.
Because you didn't know what it was.
I don't know what it is. I said, when never get me higher, get bad, because when the doctor tell me, but when me go back and the woman put me on 3 machines, nothing.
Do you have other issues that you got help with?
Yes. My diabetes, high blood pressure, that's only that I have. Yeah.
How are you doing with those?
Good. You know, see how me look.
The doctor said they're good?
Yes. Your product is good and I can recommend it to everybody. I tell everybody about it. It's very good. I've been taking it for over 5 years. Long time. I keep on coming all the time. First I get the starter and you keep on giving me different stuff, and it helped me. You know, see how me look young.
You look young? You look like Pitney Girl?
Yes. Yeah. And I thank you so much.